Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your OneDrive or Microsoft 365 subscription and return to the free storage plan, follow these step-by-step instructions carefully. Step 1. Before canceling, make sure your OneDrive storage usage is below 5 GB if you plan to use the free tier. Download or delete files to reduce your storage usage if necessary. Step 2. Sign in to your Microsoft account by going to account.microsoft.com and entering your credentials. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section from your account dashboard menu. Step 4. Find your OneDrive or Microsoft 365 subscription in the list of active subscriptions. It will show your plan details and renewal date. Step 5. Click on Manage next to your subscription to access subscription management options. Step 6. Look for the Cancel Subscription or Turn Off Recurring Billing option. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 7. Microsoft will ask you why you are canceling and may offer alternative options or discounts. Select your reason from the drop-down or skip this step if it is optional. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Confirm Cancellation or Turn Off Recurring Billing. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which it will not renew. You will then be downgraded to the free OneDrive plan with 5 GB of storage. You will receive a confirmation email about your cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.